My career is science of information. It is a career that has a lot of weight in our society because words and sound information as an active. This means that its fundamental axis revolves around the whole treatment of information, going through analysis, production, recovery, dissemination, conservation, preservation, and elimination. Information science has always existed. However, its recognition as a science and discipline has become a stronger from at the end of the Second War, due to the fact that the information in that context was a fundamental probative factor and strategic to win the war. After this, and with the creation of the Internet, the governments took very much into account the science and technology, which led the information as a fundamental element with the expansion of the Internet. The globalization and information explosion, this science became much broader and significant in society. The career of information science at the Pontificia Universidad Javeriana consists of a professional career of 10 semesters. We currently have the name of Information Science, Library Science, but the name of the program has already been approved as Information and Science, Library and Archival Science, where the professionals are fit to respond to each approach. The race covers a host of results in which it treats information as an asset to make available to users. In the university, we have a very exclusive and important space for the students of the career that is the Laboratory of Information Science. Here we have equipment at our disposal, classrooms, monitors, and more services that help improve our student life. Now I'm going to talk about the most known specializations. First, archives. Its focus is the preservation and disposition of documents and information that may be relevant to an entity. They can be categorized in archives, central, management, and historical. Each of them has a specific task. The central works documents that are in process and need to be processed quickly. The management deals with documents that still have validity for the entity but are not as used as the central archive. The documents of the management archive usually have probative character. And finally, the historical keeps the documents that have character of historical value for the organization. These documents are not commonly used, but have a great value for the company. Second, museums, where the museologist does tasks such as conservation, preservation, and dissemination of different types of information, such as paintings, sculptures, and different cultural pieces that aim to tell users a story. And finally, libraries, that are one of the strongest specializations in the career. Here, the professional is faced with making available different services of specific users. There are libraries, specialized university, public, school, and more. Then, depending on the audience, works focus service in order to give the community relevant information and can actually use for profit. It is necessary to recognize the importance of libraries in the community and see how they build society. More or less, this is my career. I hope you enjoy and interest more in the program. Thank you.